All right, how you doing today? I may get the name wrong, okay? It may not be right, but somebody correct me on the name, okay? Now, there's a scripture in Isaiah 55, 8, 9 that basically says, Your ways are my ways, and your thoughts are my thoughts, okay? And this book was written at a time where of the Assyrian and the Babylonian invasions were happening over in Israel at the time, between the early 700 BCs to the latter. No, I'm sorry. Yeah, the early 700 BCs to the latter, or later 500 BC. Okay, and this was in regards this scripture for people that were going up, trying to go up against the Most High. So there's always a higher power. Okay, when I think that sometimes that my ways are higher or whatever, like I'm sitting on the throne where, well, I have to humble myself and realize that there's a higher power. And I hope that you guys were able to see that by now with these things like COVID and all these different results of it going on right now. Okay, that you're able to see that there's a high power, a higher power. And sometimes I have to humble myself to that, in which I'm doing today by saying that. Okay. That being said, I want to talk about this HP Meta. It's a damn robot rapper, okay? And this guy has got, well, robot has got 10 million followers on TikTok with over a million views on some video that he got. This dude got guns and he got like I think a Gucci car or whatever, okay? That I don't spend too much time on TikTok. That's probably like the Gen X or Z, whatever that Gen is underneath that, okay? My daughter does that and got 500 subscribers on her channel, okay? So that's more of that thing, that type of thing, okay? But this is definitely one of the facets of the end times, okay? It even spoke in Mark where the end times was going to be the fusion of the pig and the mouse, okay? Basically saying that there's going to be a lot of crazy experiments going on. This definitely being one of them, and I think this is one of the projects that is coming out of this meta thing, okay? If you can't see me at the lights in my face, I apologize, but as long as you can hear me, then we good, all right? So I think that this is starting to become the start, and he's supposed to have this HP Meta robot was supposed to have a song with another rapper, okay? I just seen bits and pieces of this video, and you know what? That this so-called robot rapper has got to deal with Capitol Records, okay? So I've seen the music industry in my 51 years evolve, especially with rap over the last, 45 years, okay? To where it evolved into what it is now. Gangster rap, okay? Well, that's from the classic rap, gangster rap, and now we in this drill music, okay? And now that is getting into this meta rap, and it's really about money. And if you look at it from a realist standpoint, with all the violence that's going on with rap now, with these guys dying at a faster rate, it's really a way to reduce that liability. But at the same time, okay, I just think that this is going to replace real rap, all right, real rappers, okay. So I don't know if this is a way that the Most High is restoring His order or what, but it's going to give a chance pretty much for anybody to make a fake robot rapper and try to get it sold on for a record deal, okay, or get it Spotify. Actually, that rap song was on Spotify, a million records, okay, so it's being sold, okay. You know, with the factions with Amazon and you go to the store when you have all these the self-checking. I'm just thinking, is there a way that robots are going to be replacing people. So I think that's a sign right there. Okay. But one of the things that it will do, I believe, realistically, it is going to reduce the liability in the rap industry and so forth. All right. So I don't think it's going to replace it, but more rappers are probably going to have to do your satanic music independently. Okay. I just think that it's crazy. It's a joke, but this is the way. Hey, I think that this is kind of like this is kind of like the genesis into this meta thing where everything is going to be pretty much digital and this virtual reality. So let me know what you think about the video there. Thank you for your time. And please take a look at that Snap EBT video that I just did just now. And have yourself a good day and peace.